So good morning, everybody. We're rolling here at azdrone.net. It's been a while since we posted anything new. Here we are right on the edge of the new year. I thought it would be nice to post something new because we're doing a new small series for you based on a lot of things I've been seeing on the net these past couple months regarding drone services, the fear of the loss of DJI, all these different things. So I wanted to talk in the upcoming weeks. I wanted to talk to you about some of the types of drone construction work we do, how we get it set up, how we do deliverables for clients. We're going to make a short series. It's going to be 5 different videos on 5 different types of work that we do and types of work that could be done with other drones as well. So if you're like me, worried about the DJI ban and all of that fun stuff, are there some drones that we can do some of these flights with? Yes. Are they going to be as good as what we're used to? Probably not. So there you go. But so I already put up the initial video the other week, but let's just recap if you haven't been here in a bit. If you go to my YouTube studio there for Rich Charpentier, latest video up there, an in-town drone construction project for a luxury apartment complex. So this is the first one that we posted just the other week, and the second one we're going to be talking about here momentarily. But this one gives you the idea of what it's like working in a multifamily residential community that you're building, multiple stories, assigned parking, all these different things that go into what we're going to need to do for the client as well. Now, this one took under a full year, but they did have some delays. And so where we were doing progression tracking for the clients, we did take note of when things slowed down and when things weren't coming in on time. So there's a lot going on to unpack in that one. So I'd say go ahead, go back to that video first, the in-town drone construction project. Um, take a gander at that one and then pop over to this one where we're going to be talking in this one about our solstice project. So project that's gone on for 3 years for us now, 50 plus homes. So these are full homes in a resort community that has a golf course as well. And so each of these homes is independent, freestanding home. And like I said, there's over 50 of those homes, and most of them are just about done. Now, I'm just scrolling through here for a moment so that you can see some of the deliverables that we're giving to these clients. So we've got still images, before and after images, 3D models, before and after video. So we've got a little bit of everything. And all of these things were pulled together based on the conversations that we've had with those clients. So in this series, I'm going to talk to you just about this one right now, and then you can go check out additional information over on our website. So ArizonaDroneClasses.com, that's ArizonaDroneClasses.com, where we tie some of this together and bring these presentations together. So this particular one, job number 1, this is the one we see the most often for us, are planned communities. So Solstice Ridge 2, 50 plus homes in a golf community. And so they had gotten in touch with us several years ago. We met up on location. We discussed what their wants and needs were, and then we developed a presentation for them to be able to cover all of the bases that they needed covered. So in this particular setup with Solstice Ridge 2, the clients had some needs. What did they have? They wanted time-lapse videos of the job site. That was a big, important one for them, so we made sure to do that. Before and after ortho mosaic maps to show the changes on the site. When we first started in with them, they didn't know we could do these types of things, so they were very excited about that. And next one, before and after 3D models showing change as well. So we've done 3D models, we've done 2D flat orthos, and just to show what's going on over time. Next was still photos that are updated every couple of weeks, and occasional 360 images. So these were what the what what we were discovering for them here. So let's go into the next one. So what did we use? So we didn't bring every piece of equipment. We tried to keep it as simple as possible. We did go through one major equipment change halfway through the project for us because we got a new construction drone that we were working with. So we were using the Mavic 2 Pro initially, 2022, 2023, the Mavic 3 Enterprise, 2023 through to today, the Ricoh Theta Z1 for 360 images in the homes. iPhone 14 Pro, use that for a lot of different a lot of different uses on site. Flight radar apps, that's one good example. Then we also used the DJI Avata in a limited fashion. It wasn't as important to the clients as some of the other items were. So, job activities. What did we do every 2 weeks? We went out to the site. Sundays were when we went out to the location to minimize traffic around us and also to minimize the amount of air traffic in the area since we're flying near an airport, KPRC. So we would usually come out on Sundays every 2 weeks, and we would fly several different automated flight paths. We would also do an automated orthomosaic and 3D flight as well. Autonomous linear flights to capture buildings. So as we're going up and down and around all these buildings, we're doing those as autonomous, repeatable flights. And then the path along the roads in the community as well. So we were documenting all of that as well here. And then the next part of this, post-processing. So we had to, after being out in the field, we came back to the office and we did all of these things. Now, keep in mind, I do have some additional explanation for you. If you go to classes, ArizonaDroneClasses.com, sorry about that, ArizonaDroneClasses.com, we will have links to these presentations plus some additional information for you to go over as well. So we use Metashape to generate a lot of our stuff for the modeling side of it. And we also did automated flight videos to show the final property development and what had changed fully over time. We were using Final Cut Pro to do all of that type of editing. Orthomosaic still images captured to show the change over time. And so that goes along with the 3D model as well. And right below there, you see 3D model generated for Sketchfab as well. Finally, what were those deliverables? Well, if you follow this channel for any length of time, you know we do custom web pages for our clients. We do custom data in those pages for the clients to make it very easy for them to find all the deliverables, share with colleagues, share with investors, etc. And so that's another thing that you might want to take a look at when you stop over at ArizonaDroneClasses.com. And you'll actually get some more additional information about these types of web pages. And also you can pop by, our channel here and check it out as well. So check out Rich Charpentier on YouTube there. All right, everybody, I'm going to wrap this up. I wanted to keep it as quick as possible. So we will be following up with other presentations like this. So make sure that you're subscribed and give us a like. And if you're subscribed, you'll get a notification for when we do the next one of these examples. Okay, so watch out for them. You'll see more in the very near future.